Hi boys and girls, welcome to your grammar lesson for today. Today we're going to be talking about proper nouns. And I know a little while ago we talked about regular nouns, person, place, or thing. We talked about that last week before Thanksgiving when we did our thankful turkeys. And on each feather we did a person, a place, or a thing that we were thankful for. So today we're going to be talking about proper nouns. So proper nouns are a noun that names a special person, animal, place, or thing. And proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. Regular nouns like marker and pen and bottle, those are regular common nouns, and those do not get capital letters. But proper nouns like Walmart or Mrs. O'Hara or Shenango, those get capital letters because they are specific, special people, places, or things. So let's take a look at this picture. And we have the dolphin going through the ring with the trainer. And over here we have the grandstand. That's a special place. Seaside Park, those get capital letters because that's the name of a park. Okay, then it says Flip, okay, is the name of the dolphin. That's the name of the dolphin. So all of your names get capital letters because you are a proper noun. The Seal Show is the name of the show. And then Sean Jones is the name of the trainer. So those are all proper nouns. Now, when a title, so titles are like Mr., Mrs., and Miss. So we have like Mr. Heminger, that's his title, and Mrs. O'Hara, that's my title. So when a title is used before a name, it begins with a capital letter 2. And a title usually ends with a period. So right here we have Mr. Diaz, Mrs. Sims, and Miss Reed. So anytime you're putting Mr. or Mrs. in front of someone's name, that also needs a capital letter and then a little period right after it. So it says to write each sentence on another sheet of paper. We're just going to do it together right now. And it says to find the proper nouns and use capital letters and periods where they belong. So it says, my family went to Florida. So I'm going to pause this real quick and put it into a smart notebook and we'll do it together. Okay, here we go. So if we take a look at this paper together, it says, once we have the sentences written down, find the proper nouns and use capital letters and periods where they belong. So I am going to just rewrite the sentence correctly below it with my smart notebook. So it says, my family went to Florida. Now, when you look at that sentence, I want you to think and ask yourself, are there any special places, people, or things that would need a capital letter? So in this sentence, you should have my family went to, and then you need a capital F on Florida because Florida is a special place. It's not they just went on vacation, they went to Florida. So Florida, any state like Pennsylvania needs a capital letter. This said, number 2, we drove on Beach Street. We drove on Beach Street. Now, any names of roads, so I live on Dougherty Road. Some people might live on Old Pittsburgh Road or Old Butler Road. Anytime you're naming a road or a street in your address, you want to make sure that the name of the street or the road has a capital letter. So it should be, we drove on capital B, Beach Street. Okay, let me make that a little bit smaller. Okay, number 3. Let me start by making my letters a little bit smaller. It says, we met Mrs. Bell. So right there, remember, if it's a name of a person like Mrs. O'Hara, this is Mrs. Bell. So it should be, we met, and then Mrs. Bell. Okay, and notice how I capitalized the M on Mrs. I put a period after Mrs. and I put a capital B on Bell. Okay, number 4, her dog is named Skippy. So anytime it's a name of a person, a place, or a thing, or an animal, you need to have capital letters. So let me make my words a little bit smaller. Her dog is named capital S, Skippy. Number 5, I went on the Super Sun slide. Well, we know if it's a specific name of a place or a thing or a person, we need to do capital letters. So I went on the capital S Super Sun slide. Capital S's on all of those. And the last one, number 6, we all ate at the Snack Shack. So Snack Shack would just be like saying I ate at McDonald's or Wendy's. So we have to capitalize those because it's a special place. So we all ate at Snack Shack. All right, boys and girls. So that was just our little grammar lesson for today, and you can go ahead and complete any of your other work that you have left. Have a wonderful Friday.